Hey everyone, I hope you're all having a great weekend. I just wanted to say now, we are halfway through the month and we are well on our way to becoming early risers, or at least 30 minutes earlier. So this next week, stage 3, we are going to be kind of kicking it up a notch and adding 10 minutes onto our mornings. So getting up a total of 20 minutes earlier every weekday or work day, whatever works for you. So we've gone from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Now we're at 20 minutes. You can probably guess next week we'll be at 30, but 20 minutes for now. I don't know about you, so far I haven't found like 5 or 10 minutes to be that difficult, but I'm also mindful not to disappoint you. But we'll see if 20 minutes tests my willpower a little bit. Yeah, so post in the comments. I would love to hear how you're all doing with it. Feel free to send some comments this week if you have any big wins or any tough mornings. I hope you're still using the tracker. And good luck with it all. Have a great weekend. Bye.